So, hi dear Leo, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal, Osho's and weekly tarot card reading for all the Leo, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 19th till the 25th of August. I'm going to pull one card for each day, and we are going to see the message or guidance or warning or just a simple plain spiritual growth message for you guys for this particular week. Okay, and if you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Okay, honey. Leo, let's see. The messages for Leo. For 19th, we have the burden. Okay, on 19th, you might be taking too much on your plate, or you might be taking too much responsibilities of other people, other situations, or keeping others happy, compromising your own happiness, and not making yourself the priority, and not making yourself the center of attention of your own world. So whatever it is, you might be taking too much burden or too much on your plate, and you might be feeling like you're about to break down. Okay, loosen up the burden. You don't have the burden. You don't have to take the burden of the whole world on your shoulders. Okay, it's your life. You should be your number one priority. Your peace, your happiness should be your number one priority. Then you should take the burden or responsibility of other people or other situation. You're taking too much on your plate at this time. 20th of August, we have the ripeness. Something is about to be like coming to fruition, coming to full completion. It's like it could be a reward, a promotion, it could be a connection, it could be a relationship coming to this point of commitment. For some of you, you are getting the fruits of your hard work. So something is about to ripe. It's like again bearing the fruit of your hard work. You put the water, you put the sunlight, you put the energy, you put the love. Now it's time for you to enjoy the fruits. Okay, on 20th of August. On 21st of August, we have the courage. So on 21st of August, I do see you facing a lot of obstacles and challenges still thriving in a particular situation where everybody is going to think like you are going to give up, or you will never be able to succeed, or you will never be able to get out of this situation or get out of this obstacle or challenge. But you are going to prove everybody wrong. You're going to succeed in something that everybody thought like you will never be able to do that, but you're going to prove everybody wrong because of that. That's really cool. That's really very cool. So you are going to show your courage, you are going to show your strength, and you are going to you will be able to overcome some kind of obstacles and challenges and thrive in a situation in a very beautiful way. Okay, on the 22nd of August, we have the healing. So you are going to talk to somebody, or you are going to be vulnerable in front of somebody, and you are going to be this energy of having a healing kind of communication with somebody. Might be you're going to mend your connection with someone, and both of you are going to heal each other. Or it could be possible that you're going to go to a healer or a counselor or a therapist, or you're going to talk to somebody who's going to help you heal your situation, heal your wounds, heal your problems in some way, shape, or form. But I do see this day is going to provide you a lot of healing, and you're going to feel yourself in a very positive, very beautiful, very nurturing kind of energy. It's like you sending healing energies to others, and somebody and some other people like helping you heal as well. It's like finding your healing tribe, finding your soul tribe kind of a deal. Wow, very good. Okay, 19, 20, 21, 22. 23rd of August, we have the laziness. On the 23rd of August, you're going to feel you're like, okay, I have enough. I will do it later. Procrastination is going to be there. You're going to feel like you don't have to do much, and you're going to feel like, okay, I have done enough this week, or I have done enough this month. So let me take a break and let me do nothing. You're going to be in a very comfortable kind of a deal, but at the same time, the more you are going to procrastinate, the more you are going to be in a lazy kind of energy, the more the burden is going to increase in some way, shape, or form. So don't procrastinate things. If you want to take a break, you can take a break, but don't be like in this energy of taking a long break or being lazy for the whole day or for the whole week, and then afterwards you are going to get like a lot of burden, some kind of energy. Oh my god, I have to do too much. I have to take too much on my plate and finish everything. Okay, don't be in that energy. Cool. So for the 24th of August, we have the past lives. Okay. So for the 24th of August, you might encounter some kind of karma because of your past lives. You might encounter a situation where you are going to feel like, okay, I have gone through this kind of same situation in the past as well, or something related to your past life is coming to light. You might not consciously uh, realize it or feel it, but some kind of karma related to your past life is going to come towards you. You might have some kind of dream, you might have some kind of realization, or you might have some kind of intuition, into your intuition guiding you to do something about something or someone. And you might feel like there's a connection, there's a situation that's not related to this life, might be, or somebody from your past or something from your past might show up so that you can clean it, heal it, and release it. So watch out for 24th of August and let me know on 24th of August what is happening. Hmm? On 25th of August, we have the moment to moment. On 25th of August, the guidance here is take this day as moment to moment. Live this day as moment to moment. Instead of living in the future, instead of going back in the past, try to be in the in this try to be in this day, in this energy of, okay, let's take it moment by moment. Let's take it like one day, one step at in an hour. Okay, because it's a like one day reading only. It's like I can't say one day, one step a day. It's like moment to moment. Live in the present moment. Be happy. Be whatever you feel. Be authentic. Be yourself. Just be yourself. Be authentic. Whatever you're feeling, you feel like crying, just cry. You feel like dying, you feel like, oh, not literally dying. You feel like dying, just lie in the bed and watch the TV, watch the whatever the feel fuck you feel like. But just live in the present moment as much as you can, and you are going to feel like, okay, this is a smooth day, this is a killer day, this is a happy day, or whatever. But be in the moment as much as you can. Cool. So this is what I have for this for you guys for this week. Hope this helps. So I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.